Okay, this is Crystal Mountain, Crystal Hill. Apparently you can get crystals up here. Pretty. Just packed up our campsite. I didn't film much of the campsite because I was hanging out with my friends. We are going to the hot springs. I heard it's more like a warm spring, but it's close and I think it's time to get some good soaking on. How pretty this is. Yeah. Get in, Brucey. A nice little trail. Definitely getting a workout on here. Whew. Walked over those steps. It's actually not that bad, but it's been a long time since I've done a good hike. I need to hike more. The hikes I've done don't have any like elevation gain or anything. This is really cool. Come on. We found it. It's right down here. No. Oh my gosh, what an awesome find. This is incredible. Yes. So glad I came here. Thank you, Alison. Back the way we found it so it can be enjoyable for the next person. Alright, I'm going to have a beer and make a Patreon video. Got Brucey some water. He's gonna chill while I have a beer. Alright, we're gonna head out here. I'm gonna let that family soak. And we'll see you at the car. It's time for lunch. Got sushi. Not bad. Alrighty, we are out of here. We're gonna head to the Dogg Valley. Got a heads up on some abandoned tanks and stuff and hot spring out there. So I'm gonna go and check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! If you're a Patreon member, be sure to check the Patreon. The video for this came out a little while before this.